This segment is sponsored in part by MEA.
Well, the colder months can take a toll on your skin and hair. So today, we have some fall beauty fixes to keep you looking your best. With me this morning is our favorite beauty expert, Millie Almodovar. Hello. My goal in life is just to look like you. So if you're bringing things to make that happen, I'm here for it. Don't forget at home, scan that QR code on the screen with your phone so you can get all the links to all the stuff that Millie is going to share with us today. Okay, I saw all the girls.
Yeah.
Gathered round.
Yes.
For this business.
Yes, everyone was worshiping this, okay?
Olaplex. Yes. Where has it been my whole life?
This is the Olaplex Hair Repair Treatment Kit. First of all, I want to start off by saying that this product, Olaplex 3, which I swear by, yes.
I just started using it.
One sells every 3.5 seconds. And I'm going to tell you, first of all, this was the product that brought back my curls, okay?
What?
It repairs the disulfide bonds in your hair. Those are the bonds that are responsible for your texture, for your strength, for your stability. It brought it all back, okay?
Wow,
my hair.
Tan linda.
Yes, and you get, this is the great thing, I brought a kit here because you get 4 items, okay?
Yeah.
You get the Olaplex Zero, which we use first, then you would use the number 3, then you would use the shampoo and conditioner. You get all 4 of these for $62 at Sephora, okay? I am telling you, this product is like, it's a godsend. Look at my curls. Can we go into the curls?
You told me you used it. I went, listen,
Yeah.
I went and I bought it, and now I feel like I need to get all the stuff.
Yes, you need it, and especially at this price, $62. I mean, it is
that's a
for
lot.
all
That's a lot of deal here.
I am telling you, your hair will never look better.
I just started using it,
and that's why your hair looks so fabulous.
Okay, well, good.
Hello. Okay,
what next?
This next product has 3 patents on it.
Patents?
3 patents on it, and it is on sale right now at Ulta for 30% off, so you need to grab it, okay? So this is the Beauty Stat Ulta Universal C Skin Refiner, okay? This is a vitamin C that has 20% ascorbic acid, okay? And it has been encapsulated, so it is maximum potency. I am telling you, this product works like nothing you've ever used.
Look at how dry I am. My skin soaked that up in
I'm
2
telling
seconds.
you, it is going to tighten, it's going to brighten. It also has green tea in it. I am telling you, your skin will never look better. And the fact that it is 30% off right now at ultabeauty.com and at Ulta, you need to run and get it because it is so effective.
Can you do my other hand now?
Yes, I can do your other hand. I can do your other hand.
Feels sad.
Oh my God, it feels sad.
Okay, vitamin C.
Yes, vitamin C is a must for skincare. Builds collagen, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You want
me look like I'm 22.
One because it is stabilized. Hello, you already look 22. It'll make you look 14.
No, I need to be legal. I need to be at least 21. No te pone tú. Okay, what's this?
Okay, so this is Emipel. Do you know it's World Menopause Month?
I did.
Okay? Yes, I didn't know that. A lot of women I know in their 30s are being hit with menopause now, perimenopause, and in their 40s. And you know that estrogen is responsible for, it's critical actually, for having just that radiant, luminous skin, right? So this is great because it has something called MEP technology, and that is clinically proven, right, to address estrogen deficient skin, okay? So that's going to restore collagen and the natural function of estrogen deficient skin. So you've got a night cream that has that MEP technology, but they've also put peptides in this, retinol in it.
All the good stuff.
So good. And then it has an under eye serum, right?
The eye serum, you know, I love
has caffeine, so that's going to depuff. Yes, humectants to really help the hydration. You can get this at emipel.com. I am telling you, a lot of younger women are going through menopause now.
It's actually very true. So this is a great product to use to help.
Okay, I know you're a big fan of this brand. Charlotte Tilbury.
Okay.
You know. Okay. So
I almost want to reapply my own concealer now. It's so good.
I am telling you, this is the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer, okay? This is like a medium to full coverage concealer that I am obsessed with. It's going to lift your eyes. You've got 30 waterproof shades, 16 hours of wear, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, vitamin C. So not only is it a concealer, but it is also a skin, like it's
helping the skin.
It's helping your skin. So your skin actually looks better after using it.
And shout out to Charlotte for realizing that we don't just come in 3 shades.
I love that woman.
Yeah.
Over 30 shades of this, and I like that she uses real women. I mean, you're a Charlotte Tilbury fanatic, so you know. You can get it at charlottetilbury.com.
3/4 of my face has Charlotte stuff on it. Okay.
So aluminum-free deodorants, you know, a lot of people like those, but a lot of them can leave you stinky.
Real talk, I tried.
Yes, I tried too, girl, and it was not pretty.
And my man was like, "You need to go back.
Yeah, go back to the aluminum.
Not cute."
Right, but this one is from Secret, and it is aluminum free, and it actually works insanely well. Okay, it offers 48-hour protection. It doesn't mask the odor. Okay, and it has 3 times more odor fighters than the leading aluminum free deodorant.
Excuse me.
$6.99, free of aluminum, free of parabens. Only $6.99. Hello, yes, and it's coconut. You know I like a good coconut scent.
And shout out to Secret for getting with the times.
Yes.
Secret's been nice.
It smells amazing. Yes, and it lasts for 48 hours. So, if you forget the next day, you're good.
You're good.
Yeah, because, sometimes I forget. I'm a single mom. I'm always, like, running around, and then I'm like, oh,
wait.
I should have put deodorant on. Okay.
Maybe I should have
Okay, but I don't have to worry about it when I use this one.
Fantastic.
Okay, last but not least, this one. This is the Guru. I know you like Guru Nanda.
I love them.
They got me into oil pulling, and then this is their concentrated mouthwash. What I like about this little bottle replaces 10 16-ounce bottles, okay?
Bueno.
Yes, so you put this, you use a little bit of water, and then you put 3 drops of this mouthwash. It has this peppermint taste that has essential oils. You put 3 drops, only 3 drops, that's all you need. You swish it around your mouth, and you will have the freshest breath ever. And I love that it replaces 10 16-ounce bottles under $10 at Walmart.
And also not medicinally, because some mouthwashes can feel like very medicinal.
No, not medicinal. It smells straight like peppermint. I feel like it's scenting up the whole place. You smell it?
Fantastic. I'm going to keep this because there are some people on the train.
Oh yeah, that might need it. Just all you got to do is whip it out and say, listen, Millie told me that this was it.
Millie,
I love you, honey.
I love you more.
Yay,
Thank you
Latinas!
so much. Latinos unite one day. One day.